out to 3.0, you know, Windows 3.0. I need to see if I can remember it. I was having a little play with it earlier on, and I couldn't remember how to set up the files, you know, within the environment. It's a bit strange, really. I've forgotten, because you're so used to using Windows now, Windows 11, Windows 10, and it's just principle. You just double click on the icon in the manager, and it just doesn't work that way anymore. So you're going to come on the journey with me. I'm just having a coffee because I've just practically woke up. It's like 20 past 8 in the morning, and you could say I'm a bit shattered. Now, what I want to also do, obviously you can see my screen, I'm going to be installing, if it's there, I'm going to be installing a program called Paradox 9. Now, Paradox 9, I'm just checking my ISO stuff. Oops. My web's design stuff. Paradox temporary. Now we need to run Paradox. Now, Paradox, Windows 10. Paradox, where are you? There you go. So you should have now on an E drive Paradox. Right, so that is supposed to be for Windows 3.0. Oh, 3.1. I wonder if it's for 3.1. We'll try it anyway. Right, okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to launch. 261k. 100. Oh, right, yeah, so it isn't a full program, is it? That's not good, is it? Alright, okay then. Let's try Gem 5. Okay, Gem 5. So we're going back to Digital Research's Gem, and we'll have a look on what's on Gem 5. Right, okay, so install Gem 5. Here we go. Install Gem. Yeah. Accept the license. Yeah. This is the Open Gem one, isn't it? This one's basically... What's that? Okay. This one basically predates Windows, I think. I think because Gem was designed by Digital Research. Now, Digital Research was like a pioneer in the software industry back in the 70s and 80s. They had an operating system called CPM, which you'll find on one of my other videos, which I talked about Gary KIldall, who was the founder, and who is no longer with us. He was a very, very clever man. Gem was the graphic environment. Yeah. It's built on the platform. When you look at it, it looks very much like Windows. No, well, not really. Windows actually looks more like Apple, you know, the OS X type of stuff. Where you look at it when you see it in a minute. Now this one is 5. I think the other one was. I've got both. I've got 5 and I've got 6. So we'll have to have a look at both of them. It was ahead of its time. It was a good. Actually, I'm not going to put any pictures up or anything. But if you look on my other video, it gives you a bit of an instruction to what it was like. It was actually heavily used. It was found inside the ROMs of the Ataris, the Atari ST. Right, so let's just see what setup is. Okay, so change the video driver. What's in there? System resolution. Additional driver options. What's in 9? Gem 5 palette. 1200 by 800. Huh? Can you press the escape key? No. Oh, I don't know that. naff off. There's definitely a bug in it. Shut up. Flipping thing. Oh, shut up. I think there's a bug. Let's just see if we can find another sound card driver, because it seems to crash out. In fact, we might actually add it without us. Oh, right, okay. I'm wondering. Let's have a change. Let's change the motherboard. I think we'll change the motherboard to something a bit more. What's this? Got VIOS and assist chair. Okay. Yeah, okay. So let's change it right away down to 486 SX. No, what a DX, DXS, DX, DX2, DX. That was the best. The DX 486 DX2. Probably so. I think they done 1.82 megahertz. All right, okay. I want more memory than that. Oh, it'll only go up to 32 meg. Okay, 32k. Sorry. Right. So, and we'll go to display. Oh, look! Surprise! Surprise! We'll have a Cirrus Logic graphics card on an ISA 16 bus. How much memory is it? 2 megabytes. Alright, okay, I'll be fine. Put mouse, use that mouse controller. Sound. Is there one on board? Windows sound system. I'll just use the Sound Blaster 16. The original. I'll use the Sound Blaster 1.0. 8020 DMA1. OPL sound. Don't want OPL sound. Receive input from the no. Sound Blaster MIDI. Maybe not. Right. Okay. So we go network. We don't need a network card. Comms ports, parallel ports, basically. Storage. Hard disk controller. Oh. IDE controller. I don't know whether that requires a driver. Let's have a try. I don't know what that'll do. Oops. Oh my, that's loud. Right. Okie dokie. Let's just. Oh right, okay, so it's a non-defined one. Hard disk detection. That one size is a 500 meg. Yeah, that's fine. These drivers, these programs what used to detect the hard disk were very useful, especially if you didn't know any information, because a lot of the hard drives back then didn't tell you what the cylinder information was, anything like that. It takes a while though, doesn't it? No. Yeah, alright. But yeah, we'll go that one. I might actually change the BIOS again, because I'm not happy with that. They maybe go for something a bit more newer. Whoops. Pressed the wrong button. If you can hear a dog barking, it's down the road. All they do is bark. Noisy things. It's probably hungry. It's because it's early morning. They want food. They want feeding. Right. Okay. So let's change. Oh, Packard Bell. They weren't trustworthy, were they? They'll do. With MMX technology, with Overdrive MMX, Kcin Model 6. Okay. I don't want Voodoo Graphics. Import. Okay, mouse again. Sound Blaster 1.0. Hard drive. Okay, let's try that. F1. Let's have a look at the BIOS. No beep sound. 233 megahertz. Should run on that. Oh, there we go. Let's check some error, which you will get. Oh my, look at that BIOS. Right, I'm assuming if I do configure, is there anything in there what auto detects? No. So let's go. Oh, auto detect, yeah. Whoops. Auto configured, nothing in there. Auto configured, nothing in there. Auto configured, nothing in there. Oh, give it time. Let's just see if it'll find it. Sometimes it's hit and miss with the BIOSes on these machines, these old BIOSes. Boot options, floppy and hard drive. Turn off. I don't know why I always turned off the numlock. Don't like the numlock. Right, okay, so that's an old BIOS, isn't it? Right, let's do it. Exit saving. Packard Bell. Ooh. Alright, so it's found the CD-ROM drive. Has it found the other hard drive? Beep. It's not found the other drive, hasn't it? But we should be able to run GEM because I installed it to the C drive, to the primary drive. So we should have GEM on here, which we have. So we go setup. Whoops. Change video driver. I'm just gonna 16 colors. 16 colors. We're gonna go for number 6. Right. Okay. A sound drive I don't want to bother repair. No. 6. Right, you ready? Let's do it. Oh, this is GM, and look at the mouse. Right, okay, so oh, the mouse is not too bad. So direct clear. Yeah, Locomotive Software. They were a big contender back in the 80s and 90s to do with programming languages and applications. Their main flagship software was a word processor called LocalScript. It was quite powerful actually. Anyway, can we type on there? We can. Whoops. T equals 322255. Oops. So it's not a. It's a basic interpreter, isn't it? Error indirect command. Oh, all right. Yeah. Okay. 40. Whoops. Equals 32 to 255. Hey, I thought it would have allowed that. Has it got to be line numbers? 10, 40 equals 32 to 255. Error indirect command. Block terminate statement missing. Oh, okay. Load program. Let's have a look at the source code. One of the source codes. Right, okay, examples. So we go example 1. Let's have a look at example 1. Alright, so the source code is here. Oh, what? Hey? Okay. So we slide that down. Can we move that up? See that one? You know what? There you go. Right, import. Alright, so it does not use the line numbers. Alright, okay, so run file name analyze. End of file. File 1. Go sub add entry. So it does use alright. Oh, shut up! That was... Oh, God. Oh, shut up. Horrible. My apologies, guys. That is highly irritating. It's a problem with the drivers for the sound card, or something to do with the emulation anyway. I wouldn't dare play something like the MIDI music player because it'll just screw us up. First mail, what's that? I'm assuming... I'm not going to bother. I'm assuming first mail is to do with mails from... Yeah, I think it's an mail from... Oh, alright. Output gem first file. Alright. File. So I don't know much particularly first mail. What is first mail? Oh God. Alright, okay. Anyway, I think it's either something to do with mail merging. Yeah, it looks like it. You're right. You know, you write a template and it'll merge all the mail by the looks of it. Okay. Anyway, I'm not bothered. Right, we're going to come out of that and we're going to have a look at. Yeah. Shut down the computer. I don't want to shut down the computer. Return to DOS. Restart. No, I don't want to say goodbye to that. Right. Okay. So what we're going to do now is delete tree. Because you don't need to do anything with it. Bim, prompt it. Yeah, no, we don't want to delete that. No, we don't want to delete that. No, we want to delete that. We want to delete. Whoops, we want to delete that. 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 Right. So we should be back to basics and just delete. Gem, whoops, .bat, delete, setup, .bat. That's a wonderful thing about DOS. You could just delete the files you don't want, and we can just go in and delete the others later. Right, what we're going to have a do now, because it's obviously a bit of an extended video, we are going to have a look at the other one. That was 5. Now we're going to look at 6. So number 6. Number 6. Don't want to be number 6. Right. Okay. So. Oh. Oops. Yeah. Oh, is it D? Is it D? Is it identifying a D drive? Oh, right. Okay. Okay. Install. Bink. Alright, okay, install open gem. Okay, la 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 la. Oh my word. Obviously, it is a new. This one's a different remuneration from the other one, different version. 5. This one's 6. I do this so you don't have to. It's amazing how they mainly all the configurations and all the files they're using. It's all processed through batch files. Right, okay, so let's do this. So we go to C drive now, and we should have setup and gem. So if we go to setup, video card driver, change video. Whoops. Oh, that's screwed up, hasn't it? Alright, control. Oh, naff off. Urgh. That's irritating now. Control. It won't allow me to remove. It won't allow me to exit. 6. Go away. Right, gem. Okay. So this should be gem 6. Oh, where's the manager? Yeah, it's very much like the Amiga. It's very much like the Atari ST one. It's got a basket there now. Obviously, the icons are very similar. What's the desktop? You know, if you used to go to information. Originally, it was from Digital Research. Now, Digital Research, I obviously done a previous video on that. It was quite ahead of its time. Obviously, the other ones got other applications. Icons old. Right, so we go Gem apps. I'm assuming Gem system. Unzip. Yeah, okay, so there's no programs. I would have thought there'd been more programs for that one because it's a later version. That's not good, is it? Fonts help zone. That's this one, isn't it? Help zone. Right, let's have a look on the other one. Help zone, DOS, apps. What else is there? That's not a lot of good, is it, really? Alright, okay, so we're going to call it a day from here, guys. It was only a short one. I would have thought it had been a bit longer, but obviously not. When I shut down computer, we return to DOS. What a terrible thing. Right, delete anything prompt. You can do it with a dot as well. Nope, don't want to delete that. Nope, don't want to delete that. You can delete that actually. You can delete that. It doesn't really matter. Don't want to delete that. Don't want to delete that. Don't want to delete that. Delete that definitely. Delete that definitely. So, and then we just go to the folders. So if you just do a star now, if you do a dot, I think it does them all actually. So, oops, delete tree. Right, nope, don't want to delete that. 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 Get rid of that. Yeah, that can go. That's it. Is that it? Is that it now? Where we gone? Are we? We have exercised the beast. Right. Okay. I think we'll call it a day, guys. Now, sorry about that. It's just a little bit of a short video. I think it was a short video. Anyway, I'm going to get going. Thanks for watching. Usual stuff. It was a bit of a change from what I was originally planning, but hell, well, that's just one of those things, isn't it?